Our channel is a little bit different. Now, did you know that 7 out of 10 trainees fail the qualification process? So we focus on giving you the knowledge that you need on all subjects so you can pass the ADI Part 2 and ADI Part 3 rather than watch someone else deliver a lesson. From briefings and lesson plans to fault identification and analysis, we're going to help you. We offer expert guidance. Our channel is led by experienced driving instructors who provide clear, concise and easy to follow instructions tailored specifically for your learner drivers. You'll gain countless invaluable insights and tips. We've got comprehensive content from basic driving techniques to advanced maneuvers. We cover it all. Now, we offer great community support as well. Learning to drive, of course, it can be very daunting, but you're not alone on this journey. Join our supportive community of fellow learner drivers where you can share your experiences, ask questions, and receive encouragement from others who are on the same path as you.